So today is Holy Friday, so there are few people and some establishments are closed. So I was also thinking if the Korean grocery is open or not. Let's see. Since the weather today is very hot, so we will make cold noodles. So I bought the ingredients while ago in the Korean grocery. So we will make a cold noodles today. We have that soup per that I need to grind it here. Need to pour out yung per that you grind here, then press it. So this is slices of pear we will just put in the ref, and later we will put it. Also need cucumber for the noodles, egg for the we put the noodles. So this is it. One spot of our dogs. Charang! And cat. So in front of our house, this, I don't know if this is a pumpkins. Why are you there? You surprise me, Matmat. Bye.